Hello and welcome to Interactive CAD and Tech. Today, as part of my Solidworks Common Questions series, I'm going to be showing you how to mirror. So just to get started, I've drawn up this L bracket with a little gusset plate here. So there's two ways you can mirror. So you can mirror around surfaces and you can mirror around planes. So I'm going to mirror just this gusset plate by creating a reference plane in the middle of the part, taking it, and then mirroring around that. So I've clicked mirror at the top and it's come up with the mirror feature. So it's asking me the face or plane that I want to mirror around. So it's automatically selected plane 1. But you can select faces to mirror around, or you can also select planes. So I'm going to select plane 1 again and mirror the gusset plate. So the gusset plate is feature boss extrude 2. So I'm just going to click that. I'm going to tick it. Another handy thing to know about when you're mirroring is if I go back up to the mirror tool and then I go to mirror face, I'm going to click the side of the L bracket, and instead of mirroring features, I'm going to mirror an entire body. So I've gone down to bodies to mirror, click my body, tick that. So now I've mirrored the entire body twice and it's merged together. I hope you found this quick little how-to tutorial helpful. If you have, please subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.